everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Lisa, and today I thought I would share with you an app that I am absolutely loving. As many of you might know, I have an abundance of food, and what I personally struggle with is when I have a fully stocked pantry, fridge, and freezer. I really struggle with finding recipes to use everything up and use it up before the expiration date. And so what I love about Cooklist is that I can link my Walmart account and I can keep up with what's in my pantry, and the app gives me recipes for the things that I have in my pantry so I can use them up. So let me share this with you. So I was just going through my pantry trying to make sure everything is correct. So this app is, I think it's like $40 a year. So I'm still in the trial period because today is June 11th. So I need to decide by the end of the day today whether or not I'm going to keep it, and I'm pretty sure I am. Okay, so let's start with the pantry. So I'm recording this using an app called Record It, so I don't have like a pointer where I can point things out, but down at the bottom there is the icon for the pantry. And I had already gone through my pantry and scanned all the items that I have in my pantry. So up at the top, next to where it says search pantry, there's a barcode. And I just went through my pantry and scanned each item. And then I also linked my Walmart account so that anytime I make purchases, the app is automatically updated with any items that I have in my pantry. So the way that the pantry is laid out, you can look at all of your items. It will tell you items that are expiring soon. So that's based on either purchase date or barcode. And as you can see, I've got some things that are expiring soon. Whoops, we don't have 2 heads of lettuce. So I'm going to hit the remove button there and remove that. And this is really nice. And I can say, well, I've got 2 loaves of bread here, but I put those in the freezer, so I know those are still good. So what I can do is go into the item and I can edit the expiration date, and I can bump that out because, again, it is in the freezer. So now it shows in green that the expiration date is good. Okay, so those are the expiring soon, and we definitely don't have 3.5 gallons of milk, so you can just simply hit the remove button, and then if you want to add to your shopping list, you can just hit that little plus button, and if you notice down at the bottom, there's a shop icon, and now I have 9 items in my shopping list. Let's go back. So the pantry is laid out. We've got expiring soon. We have all, and then it breaks down into categories. Now, fruits and veggies includes fresh produce as well as canned and frozen. Also, dry is in there as well. And then in the middle there, it says you can connect your stores, which I think I already mentioned. I have Walmart linked. So we have dairy, pastas, recently added, snacks, ready to eat, bakery. So, of course, this app is only as good as the information that is in it. So these are the pantry categories. And then let's go ahead and go into the shop tab. So I have added a few things to my shopping list. I needed hoisin sauce. I need soy milk, eggs, 2%. I need some cereal. We're We used the mild Italian that we had, the ground pork, and then I needed a few produce items. Now, up at the top, it tells me what the cost would be for these items if I were to shop at Walmart, Target, or Kroger, which I really like, because now I can say, well, I definitely would rather spend $10. And let's see, what do I not need? I don't need the hoisin sauce because I did already get that. And I did get ginger. And we got tomatoes last time. Okay, so it updated the cart. So let's hit view cart. And it gives me the items that I have in my list. And it has a total of $7.96. It says transfer to your Walmart account. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And it says transfer to cart again. Well, if I've already transferred, then let's just double check and open the cart and make sure that they are there. And I've got cereal and I have milk. Looks like Carol Ann's added some pretzel bites and Gatorade to the list. Okay, so let's go ahead and remove the soy milk and then transfer the items to the cart. And let's hit proceed. So it did add the milk and the eggs. There are some duplicates in here, so I'll just go ahead and remove those. So let's go back. And I'm going to remove those from the pantry, and I'm going to just remove them from the list. Okay, so now that we're done with our list, let's go back and let's go to the cook option down at the bottom. And what I like about this is up at the top, you can hit cook now, which is this little button here. Hopefully you can see that. And it'll tell you all the things that you could make right now because you have all of the items in your pantry. Up here in the filters, so I have recipes I can cook now, and then I have diet preferences. We dislike mushrooms and olives, and allergens. I've got peanuts and tree nuts marked, so we won't get any recipes on the list that Carol Ann is allergic to or includes tree nuts, which I thought was really neat. So looking through the list, I don't know if you can see the Pinterest, like in this brown sugar wrapped chicken in the middle, there is underneath the picture Pinterest and the number of times it was pinned. And then others have, 1 to 5 stars, and you can take that with a grain of salt. And but let's go down and see. Well, chicken and pasta and rice, Instant Pot casserole. Well, that sounds kind of good and easy. So let's go ahead and click on that. So it gives us the ingredients. So what do we need? I need chicken broth. I know I have that. We have chicken. And we have butter. So that's all that we need from the pantry. And then it tells you how many calories per serving. So let's say that I wanted to make this. I can hit add to, and I can add it to my meal plan. And I can schedule a day to have this recipe. I'll wait for it to quit thinking. So I can increase or decrease the number of servings. I can change the category maybe from dinner to lunch, and then I can schedule the day that I want to have this this meal. So let's go back. And there's just a plethora of recipes on here, which I really love. And we can always come up here and search recipes. And let's say I want to use up some of the ground venison that we have in the freezer. So it gives me all sorts of recipes. Well, venison stuffed peppers over here on the left sounds like that might be a good option. Ground venison. So let's see what we need. So bell peppers. I only have one bell pepper, so I would need to add that to my shopping list. I do have venison and tomato sauce. I have rice. We have plenty of shredded cheese and onions, olive oil, garlic, salt, and pepper. So we have all of these things. So down here in the nutrition, it says 533 calories per serving. That sounds really good. So the only thing I really need is bell pepper. So I can add to the shopping list, and I would need 3 of them because I only have 1. And then once you have your meal plan, down here at the bottom, there's the little icon for plan. So my plan, I don't have anything selected with a particular day, but I do have my unscheduled items. So all of the recipes that I have saved. So I am really excited about this app. Again, we spent a lot of time trying to build the pantry up, and now it's time to start using those items, and we can restock as they're being used. But we really need to go through and use the canned goods that we have, and that way we're constantly using and replenishing the pantry so things don't expire. So I hope you guys found this helpful. And again, the app is Cooklist. It's they have no idea who I am, and they don't know that I'm making this video, but I really just wanted to share it with you because I think that this is going to be an app I'm going to get a lot out of. So, all right, that's everything for me, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel, and I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you're at. Bye.